The police have identified the body of a man who was found in Liberty Hill, Lime Hall in St. Anne on Friday evening. He is 28-year-old Romario Cross, otherwise called Buju, of Clamstead Hall in the parish. Reports from the St. Anne's Bay Police are that about 9:30 p.m., residents heard explosions and summoned them. On arrival of the lawmen, Cross was seen lying on the steps of an unfinished building with gunshot wounds to the head, shoulder and back. He was taken to hospital where death was confirmed. At least 5 murders have been reported in St. Anne since the start of the year. A St. Anne man was stabbed to death at his home on Saturday. Dead is Peter James, otherwise called Copper, of Main Street, Ocho Rios in the parish. Reports are that sometime after 7 a.m., James and another man got in an argument when a stone was used to hit the other man to the head, causing a wound. A knife was brought into play and James was reportedly stabbed in the chest. The police were summoned and both men were taken to hospital where James succumbed to his injuries and the other man treated and released into police custody. The identity of the other man is being withheld pending further investigation. A couple was shot and killed at their home on Old Harbour Road in St. Catherine early Sunday morning. The police are still trying to identify the man and woman and establish a motive for the attack. Preliminary reports are that about 4 a.m. residents heard explosions at 46 Old Harbour Road, and about 10 a.m. checks were reportedly made at the dwelling and 2 bodies seen. The police were alerted. They found the bodies on a bed on a board structure. Further checks revealed wounds to the upper bodies. The scene was processed and the bodies removed to the funeral home. A major crime investigation division and the St. Catherine North Police are investigating.